Wake up, buddy. I've got amazing news. The day after tomorrow, we're flying to Switzerland.
Dad, why are you keeping that little blue book so carefully?
Because it's our passport. It tells the world who we are. These are our flight tickets.
Wow, traveling needs more than just packing clothes. Looks like you're moving there forever. But it's summer! Even in summer, Switzerland's mountains can still be very cold. Dad, are we really leaving our country today?
Yes, today your biggest adventure begins.
Where is our suitcase going? The airplane will take it with us to Switzerland. See you in Switzerland! Is this machine checking if we're superheroes? Not superheroes, but it does have a special power. It can see inside your bag. Can it see my toys inside? Every single one, and it makes sure everyone's bag is safe to fly. My passport got its very first stamp!
That stamp means you've officially traveled to a new country.
So one day, this whole book will be full of stamps and full of memories from all around the world. Dad, is that the airplane's wing?
Yes, it helps the plane fly.
Can we really see the whole city from up there?
Just wait and see.
Dad, why is the plane getting louder?
The engines are getting ready for takeoff.
Maybe a little just swallow or yawn. You'll be okay. Dad, is that the airplane's wing?
Yes, it helps the plane fly.
Can we really see the whole city from up there?
Just wait and see.
Dad, we're really moving fast.
Hold on, we're taking off.
We're above the clouds. It looks like a giant ocean of cotton.
It's a view you'll never forget.
Thank you. Wow, they give us all this food? Yes, everyone gets a meal during the flight. Can I eat the dessert after my meal?
Of course, but finish your meal first.
Dad, are those the Swiss mountains?
Yes, welcome to Switzerland.
Wow, they're even more beautiful than I imagined. Dad, everything looks so beautiful.
This is Switzerland, and our adventure is just beginning.
Dad, did we really make it?
Yes, buddy, welcome to Switzerland.
It already looks amazing. Dad, we're really standing in Switzerland now?
Yes, buddy, our adventure begins right here.
Wow, it feels different already. Welcome to beautiful Switzerland. Mom, this airport is so big. Yes, and it's one of the busiest airports in Switzerland. Dad, are all these people visiting Switzerland too?
Some are visiting, and some are going home.
Mom, we're really in Switzerland.
Yes, Nick. Our Swiss adventure starts now.
Dad, where are we going first?
To our hotel. Then we can rest.
Mom, why are the houses so colorful?
Many Swiss homes are decorated with beautiful flowers.
Mom, why are the houses so colorful?
Many Swiss homes are decorated with beautiful flowers.
Wow! Are we staying here?
Yes, but first, let's check in.
Mom, can we explore now?
Let's rest today. Tomorrow we'll explore together.
Okay, tomorrow is an adventure day. Mom, look at those mountains.
Beautiful, isn't it?
What's this?
Your Explorer notebook.
You'll have a mission every day.
What's today's mission? Find 3 amazing things.
Amazing things during today's journey.
I can do that.
Then keep your eyes open, explorer.
Yeah! Dad, that train is so red.
Yes, it's a famous mountain train.
Ready for your first discovery?
Absolutely. Mom, everything is so green.
Look at those tiny houses, too.
Green Valley, Hallie. Discovery number 1. Dad, look at that waterfall.
That's your second discovery.
Ready for day 3's mission, Dad?
Keep your ears open today, Explorer.
Mom, this place looks like a fairy tale.
It does. These villages have beautiful traditions.
Dad, do people still live this way?
Yes, many traditions are still part of village life.
What is that sound?
Let's find out.
They're wearing bells! Why do the cows wear bells?
The bells help farmers find them in the mountains.
Now I understand.
Mission complete, explorer.
What are we discovering today, Dad?
Old history and sweet treats.
Dad, how old is this bridge?
It was built over 100 years ago. It has been here for many years.
Did people use it to cross the valley?
Yes.
Imagine crossing this bridge many years ago.
People must have been very brave. Mom, is that all chocolate?
Yes!